Hi Tony, thanks for your email. I'm just about to price this, but I've made a couple of changes to the model, just kind of rebuilding it to make it a bit tidier. There were a few bodges in it. So I've put a skirting board here, 170 high, just as a sort of mental note to both of us. You are going to have to cut all of these vertical pieces with a hacksaw, or I use an electric jigsaw with Bosch 118A metal blades. They're the nice long ones. You need to cut them off about there. The shoe rack will need to go as low as possible, so whatever skirting you've got, cut that as low as possible, that vertical piece there, so you can get the shoe rack nice and low. The same thing, we're going to give you a 280mm deep basket there, so it's not such an issue there, but this one and this one, you need to cut them off as low as you can. Two things to point out here: when you're putting this top track in, go as high as you can, but you need about a minimum of 630mm there to there, just to sort of get this in. I'll try and show this on a 2D drawing. Now the next thing to point out is, because we've got two top tracks, this bay and this bay hang independently of each other, but to get this rail to hang nice and vertical, you are going to have to take great care in mounting this second track in. You want to cut your vertical pieces to roughly the right size, and then offer it all up, and what you're looking for is, with a spirit level or a laser, go from the top of one of the slots on this bay and go horizontally across to the top of one of the slots on this bay. And what you don't want is a nasty angle there. What you want is a nice horizontal line. Now this is going to be a bit of a fiddle. If you weren't in the trade yourself, I'd be saying don't do this, it won't work, but I could do this, and I know you could do this. So the thing to note, this bay and this bay are not sharing the same top track. If you want this part to hang horizontally and this shelf to work, you've got to take great care in getting these slots to line up. Okay, I'll get on with the pricing now. It's all looking good. Oh, the other thing is, yeah, I've got two flat shelves and two basket shelves. I think that's a nice combination, and I'll give you an extra set of dividers which I haven't shown in there, but that will be in the costing. So let's just spin it round one more time with the walls gone. You've got your long hanging in the middle, lots of shelves, two gliding shoe racks, three baskets, a large, a medium and a small. I'm also going to supply you with covers for the ends of all of these brackets. They're just little plastic parts that sort of dress it all up nicely. There is a higher end version of all of these products. It's just a little bit more fussy and dressy, but to my mind the standard product is good, and it adds a lot of cost to add all the decoration. It'll look like this, it'll look great. Okay, good luck.